Today we'll just go over the question that we posted on Facebook. Hope you tried it. Here's the question once again. If you've read it carefully, it's from the concept of sets and counting, right? Now I'll just quickly go over the concept of counting and then we'll discuss this question, right? Suppose you have 5 people, A, B, C, D, E, and they go to a movie theater and there are 5 chairs. And we want to find how many ways they can sit. Okay, so what we use is we use something called rule of counting. We find the number of choices that we have for each place. So if you look at the first place, how many choices do you have? If you look at it, there are 5 people, so obviously there are 5 choices. Next place there are 4 choices because 1 is already gone, so we have 4. Then you have 3, 2 and 1. And the rule of counting says multiply the choices. Okay, whenever you have a number of choices and you want to find total number of choices, you multiply the choices. So this gives you the answer as 120, and this is also called 5 factorial. Okay, now we go a step further, and for this question one concept we require is that out of these 5 people, suppose 2 people were together, and now the question says the same thing. How many ways can these 5 friends sit on in the seats such that A and B sit next to each other? So what we do is treat them as one unit, and then second unit, third unit and fourth unit. Now how many ways can 4 people sit or 4 units sit? Answer will be 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is 4 factorial. Now A and B also you can interchange in 2 ways. Okay, so 2 ways, and rule of counting says you multiply the choices. So 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Clear? Now we'll apply it to this question. So there are 5 couples, they have to be seated, arranged at the theatre such that none of the couples are separated. That means each couple is together, and how many ways can they be arranged? Okay, so let's treat them one couple. So let's call it H1 W1, H2 W2, H3 W3, H4 W4 and H5 W5. Now these 5 have to be arranged. They are together, right? Each couple is together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. 5 units we can arrange in how many ways? 5 factorial ways. Now each couple also you can interchange, right? So there are 2 ways here, 2 ways here, 2 ways here, 2 ways here and 2 ways here. So multiply this by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 power 5. Right? And therefore what's the answer? C is the answer. So hope you got that right, and this concept is clear. This is a common concept on the test, people sitting together. And there is another concept where people are not together. To do that, just simply total minus together is the way to find that out.